ग्रीटिंग्स फ्रॉम हार्ट केयर फाउंडेशन ऑफ इंडिया। मैं डॉक्टर के अग्रवाल इस परफेक्ट हेल्थ मेले की शुरुआत में 2104 एंड 136 एलोवेदा के फूड वेदा एपिसोड नंबर 7 में स्वागत करता हूँ। Over to Kalpana ji to introduce the speaker.
Thank you, sir. Welcome to Food Veda episode number 7 by HCFI in association with Jugaad Rasoi. Appetizers are a small portion of a tasty food or a drink served at the beginning of the meal, which excites our desire for more. In this episode, an appetizer is being presented by someone who we hear every day but is rarely seen. He is always behind the camera managing the show. Over a period of time, we have seen his multi talented personality. First of all, it was his green thumb and expertise in growing microgreens, then his financial expertise and wizard. He is a financial wizard, and today he is exhibiting his culinary skills. As we all know that the best chefs in the world are men, and I have the privilege of introducing our very own master chef, Saurabh Agarwal ji, who also has his own YouTube channel, Jugaad Rasoi. He's innovating the simple idli into a fancy appetizer, stuffed idli roll. So over to you, Saurabh ji, and we are looking forward to your recipe.
I think you've already made me nervous. I'm not a master chef. You can call me as a Jugadu person for this. My first cooking was with the leftover stuff when my mom was in UK and I did not have anything to cook. So today I'm presenting stuffed idli roll. This is something which came with a thought that a lot of times when you go, you have visitors at home, you bring stuff from outside, very expensive. You can make something very easy in 30 minutes. So I'll do a voiceover. Since this does not have a voice, I'll do a voiceover and explaining what is happening on this thing. So here it goes. Can you see all my screen? Can you see the videos?
It's stationary.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
So stuffed idli roll, we have made this with the help of suji. So we take 2 cups of suji in a bowl and we add half curd in it. Curd helps it to make it more soft, and obviously curd is a probiotic, good for stomach. We add water, 1 cup. We will slowly add because suji soaks water, it gets dry. So we have to keep it for 30 minutes. We have to stir it properly. Make sure that the batter has a consistency. To leave the batter for 30 minutes after you put it. We would need potatoes in it. Potato, you have to boil it. You have to make sure that you don't overboil it because you need some little hardness in it to make a roll of it. So you grate the potatoes. And you can add whatever vegetables you want to add. I have added carrot and bell pepper. You can add salaries. You can add, any other healthy stuff in it. It just goes inside. You can add also the peas. So if you see the suji has become very dry, so you have to add more water to make sure that it is in a semi-liquid form. The consistency is very important to make sure that it gives an even finishing. So this is bell pepper. You can grate it, and again you can add whatever vegetables you want to add. So this is carrot. Sorry, I think I wrote radish over here. It's carrot. Definitely don't add radish over here. You need onion in it, and ginger and green chilies as per your taste. I eat spicy, so I eat a lot of green chilies. You can add paneer. Paneer is a dairy product which can give a lot of proteins in it. I use mustard oil. You can use any other oil. Add cumin seeds, zira, which is add rye and ajwain. Then you can add the onions paste which you have made. Add carrot, add bell pepper, and whatever vegetables you want to add. This is a stuffing which we are making. Add red chilies and all masalas which you want to add as per your taste. I've added garam masala. I've added haldi powder. So you mix it well. Add potato and mix it well, and then you can add paneer. So if you see, the stuffing is little dry. It is not a semi-liquid or it is not a liquid, because you have to make a roll. It is exactly how you make a bread roll or a cutlet, but this is more in a drier form. When you grate it, you have to grate it in a bigger pieces. So this is a very important step. You have to let it, once you transfer in a plate, you have to let it cool down. Okay, add amchur powder and chaat masala to make it more, what do you call it, tasty. This is an important step. You have to put this in a freezer for about 15 minutes to 30 minutes to make sure that it becomes little hard. Now I have used a rice cooker. You can use a steamer. Put some water in it. Now you make a roll out of it. So when you put it in a freezer, you can make a roll properly. Now take steel glasses and you have to grease it with the oil inside so that it doesn't stick. The batter doesn't stick inside. Now this is Eno. So this is salt first. In the batter you add some spices, red chili, garam masala, coriander, and mix it well. Keep it for 5 minutes and then add Eno in it. Eno will basically gives a volume to the batter, and it will also makes it more softer and fluffiness. So add 1 tablespoon of Eno and sprinkle the water on it. You will see how this is how it goes. Again, mix it very well over here because you have added Eno. Eno needs to go inside, and fill the steel cup with 1.5, like 1/4 or probably a little more than that, with this batter. So I've taken 5 glasses and put the stuffing which you have made right between the glass. Do not keep it on side, right between the glass. Now you can use soya also over here. You can use whatever stuffing you want to use it. And add rest of the batter to cover the stuffing so that the stuffing is not seen. Make sure that the glass is probably 10% to 15% empty, because once the batter expands, it doesn't come out. Now make sure that the water is completely on boil, and put the glasses in and cover the lid. Now you need to wait for 40 minutes to make sure that this is ready. So this is how it looks like. Check with a knife. Put it in a knife. If it comes easily, it is ready. Now this is how it looks like. It is all ready. So you make sure that the knife goes from these corners and you loosen up the grip and take this out like this. So this is how it is, which looks like. You can actually make an idli out of it also, but this is what we wanted to make a roll.
हम एक पैन में ऑयल ले लेंगे, तकरीबन 1 से 2 टेबलस्पून सीड्स डालेंगे, राई, फिर इसके अंदर 1 चम्मच लाल मिर्च, और फिर इसमें करी पत्ता और फिर धनिया, और फिर इसको मिला लेंगे। सादा पानी या चटनी का पानी डाल सकते हैं।
So this is the cover of the
उसके बाद जो हमारा रोल बना हुआ है उसको इसके अंदर जैसे कि इसके ऊपर लेयर चढ़ानी है वैसे है, इसमें थोड़ा सा पानी रहेगा, उसके बाद गैस बंद कर देनी है और इसको ऐसे रोल करना है। स्लाइस में काट लेंगे। आपका ये स्लाइस ऐसे कट जाएगा, बीच में फिलिंग है, ऊपर इडली है, साइड पे ये है, ऐसे सारे स्लाइस काट लोगे। जो हमारा तड़का बचा हुआ है, इस पे धनिया और करी पत्ता है, उसको आप ऐसे इस पे डाल दो। ये आपका स्टफ इडली रोल तैयार है। अब क्योंकि ये इतना स्पेशल है तो इसकी चटनी भी थोड़ी स्पेशल होनी चाहिए। धनिया और पुदीने की चटनी ली है और जो हमारे घर में केचप होती है वो हम इसमें थोड़ा सा मिक्स करेंगे और इसको अच्छे से मिला लेंगे। और फिर जो आपने ये बनाया है इसको आप इसके अंदर से ऐसे डिप करके खाइए, एंजॉय करिए। ये बहुत ही हेल्दी है, इसमें बहुत ही कम तेल और नमक डाला हुआ है, कोई फ्राइड नहीं है। और आप इसका देखिए, इसके अंदर हमने पनीर भी डाला हुआ है, गाजर भी है, शिमला मिर्च भी है, सब्जियां भी हैं, आलू भी है और सूजी भी है। थैंक यू।
So I think I would like to thank Dr. KK. I think my journey for passion in the cooking and eating diet was all started by him. I still remember when I was unwell and about 10 to 15 years ago, I went to him and I said, I want to, I don't know what is happening in my body. So he said, okay, I will write a diet for you. And he was writing a meal for me, and he wrote a breakfast with 1 bowl of milk with some salaries, and then he said, in the lunch, he wrote 2 vegetables bowl. And then he went to the next meal and I said, you forgot something. So I said, he said, what? I said, there is no chapati. He said, do you see a chapati in it? I said, no. He said, that means you don't have to eat it. And before that time, I used to eat 4 chapatis, 5 chapatis, paranthe bante the ghar pe, and I used to, we used to have competition for chawal rajma and all that stuff at home. And for my first month was very tough of leaving all those stuff. And I used to go back to him again and again. Kuch to add karo, bhuka hu, kuch to add karo, gareeb ko khana khilao, kuch to add karo. And he used to say, no. But whatever he added, it was giving me enough calories to eat. Today, there is a stage where I cannot eat more than 2 chapatis. And I still have a good diet on it. So I think that's where I became health conscious. That's where my journey started off. So I don't think this episode will get over without thanking him on special note.
Thank you, Saurabh ji. Kalpana ji, to kindly close the meeting.
Thank you, Saurabh ji, for this amazingly tempting and delicious presentation. And Saurabh ji, you're definitely our master chef and giving tough competition to all the women around over here. And I request you all to subscribe to his YouTube channel, Jugaad Rasoi, and get inspiration from it and enjoy learning the process. Thank you, Saurabh ji, once again.